I've added a few things to the mini truck since the last update video. I put up these roof bars, these crossbars, and then I ended up mounting a LED light right to the bracket for that, so it looks like it's kind of just floating. Thought it looked pretty good. It fills up the space there. I'm going to eventually be building a small little rectangular roof basket type deal for it. I fixed that annoying exhaust leak. I had that blown out muffler. It was stupid loud. So I just got some stainless steel little muffler here that I put on. I cut it off right after the cat. I actually was able to utilize the rest of the stock pipe. I just had to make my own little hanger. I welded a strap to the muffler and then bent up a hanger. And I don't know if I put this in my last video, but it's been on here. My reverse light was no good when I bought the truck, so I actually found this little LED light, and it actually lined up with the factory screw locations and everything. So that was pretty nice. I just cut the factory wiring and soldered it up, and everything was good to go. And then I switched my other light bar that I had on the headache bar. I switched that one to the back of the truck. So tailgaters beware, and also maybe help me back up at night because I got the windows tinted pretty dark. But I think that's about it since the last video. The only thing I really have in the future and the plans for this is just, like I said, building a little luggage box type deal for the roof. I might do it out of aluminum. I'm thinking like square tubing, something. I don't know. We'll see how it goes.